Hey guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do DIY stickers, self-care, and for that you need a notebook, a pen, tape that should be broad, parchment paper. I have tracing paper, so I'm using that, and a pair of scissors. These are the items that you need, and you don't need any sticker paper. So let's get started. What I'm gonna do, the first thing is that I'll search for some self-care quotes on my phone, and I'll go to my Pinterest, and there I'll search for the quotes. The first one is make yourself a priority, and I really like this one. So what I'm doing is I'm listing all my favorite self-care quotes on a notepad so that it will help me when I am doing the final sticker on the notebook. And if you want to skip to the process, go to 5 minutes and 40 seconds. You'll find the process of making the stickers. But stick with me to know to watch all the self-care quotes that I have decided to write on to my paper. So just enjoy the process. After writing all the quotes, I am just making some stars around my text, and then I am just making outlining all of the quotes that I have written, and so that I can cut them through these outlines. Now it's done. I'll use my scissors and cut each quotes and along the outlines that I have made. again, and we have the final stickers with us. Not the final, but the quotations with us. So we'll do the next part. I have got my parchment paper here, so I guess I will need half of it. So I'm just taking and watching the layout in my desired size. Okay, now as I told you that we need tape, okay, for this. What I'm gonna do, it's a very easy process to do. So just take out your stickers like that, okay, and I'm just cutting out the edges, extra edges. What I'm gonna do, just take it and place it gently on the parchment paper, and just make sure that there are no air bubbles inside this. Again, just putting my parchment paper and gently pressing so that no air bubbles gets in. Now the next, take it again, place it on the paper, and then cut it. Now, so you have got these stickers, okay, with you. Just have to place it onto them. Okay, I'm using this and this. Now take your tape again and put it onto the sticker. You just have to be very, very careful about the air bubbles. And next is this. Because it's a little thin, I'm using my, once again, big tape, so that the bigger one gets adjusted on this. Okay, so it's here, and I'll take and cut it. Place that very gently, parallel. Taking more and then placing it again into this. Now there is one. The final stickers are ready. We just have to peel off the parchment paper, and then we have our sticker along with us. It's very handy. You can make in bulk and keep it so that you can use it in your journals. You can use it for scrapping, or you can also put these on it's like your laptop, your fridge, or anywhere, and make your things worky and very attractive. So I have got all my stickers here. So I hope you enjoy this process and you can make your stickers by yourself, and they're so easy, so cheap, and they also look really nice. So here they are. They look really beautiful, and I just love them. You can also make yourself. If you like my video and like the process, please subscribe my channel and give this video a thumbs up. We'll meet in the next video, inshallah.